Isahluko 2, chapter 2. Inqununu yesikolo, the school principal yaseNjwaxa of Njwaxa, yayingutitshala uNdlela, was the teacher Mr. Ndlela. Waziva iindaba, he heard the news, zokulwa of the fighting, kukaNdopho noNquphephe, between Nquphephe and Ndopho, neziphumo and the consequences, zomlo lowo, of that fight. Umlo is a fight. Lamakhwenkwe, these boys, aye ngabafundi, they were students or pupils or scholars, kwesi sikolo sikaNdlela, at this school of Mr. Ndlela. Ngosuku olulandela usuku lomlo, on the day following the day of the fight, Ndlela wababiza, he called Ndopho and Nquphephe. Wabayala, he admonished or scolded or warned them, and wabachazela, explained to them that school children, abantwana besikolo, abafanelanga, ought not to, should not, ukuba balwe, fight. Lwa is to fight. Wati. Now the wati does not mean that anything was said. It merely refers to the fact that something then happened. So, and then, akugqiba, when he had finished ukubayala, scolding them, he took his cane, watata uswazi lwakhe, wabanika, and he gave them isohlwayo esibafaneleyo, the hiding they deserved. Akugqitywa, after being hit, akugqitywa ukubethwa, uNquphephe wahlala phansi, he sat down, khwina, whimpering. Kodwa, but Ndopho wabaleka, he ran out. Wabaleka waphuma, he ran out. Engakhali, not crying, but bellowing. Emva kwethutyana, after a while, after Ndopho had gone out, ephumile uNdopho, kwavakala, there was heard ingxolokazi enkulu phandle. There was heard a loud noise outside. The kazi as an augmentative function here. Ingxolo being a noise. And yayingu nojaji, it was nojaji, owayesenza, who was making lo ngxolo, that noise. Wayethetha esithi, she was speaking and saying, Tishala, umbethela ntoni umntanam? Why did you hit my child? Waphuma phandle utitshala, the teacher, waphuma phandle, went outside to go and speak naye, to her or with her. And he says, Nkosikazi, madam, lady, umntwana wakho, your child, akohlwaywanga, was not punished ngokungaphezulu, any more than, to any greater extent than Nquphephe. He explained, ucacise, calmly. Andibuzi lonto mna, I'm not asking about that. Buza, to ask. I'm not asking about that. Ndibuza ukuba Umbethela ntoni umntanam? I'm asking why you hit my child. For what reason? Waphendula uNojaji. Replied Nojaji. Ndimohlwayele, I punished him for ukulwa, fighting. Ohlwaya, to punish, ohlwayela, to punish for. Madam, nkosikazi, uphendule utitshala. Kukulwa, is it fighting? Ukubethwa, to be hit, yimfama, by a blind boy. Engenzanga nto, for not having done anything, for no reason? Asked Nojaji. Mamela nkosikazi, listen, lady or madam. Ityala, the case, laba bantwana, of these children, ndilivavanye, I have considered, weighed over in my mind, investigated kakuhle, well, ndafumanisa, and established or found that ukuba bobabini, both of them, bonile, have transgressed, have sinned, bakufanele, and that they deserve ukohlwaywa, to be punished. So said the teacher, Esa teta, still speaking, ngokuzola, calmly. Kangelapha Ndlela, look here Ndlela. Sukuzicenga, don't beg for. Cenga, literally to beg for. Inyama, the favors, literally the flesh. Zabanye abafazi, of other women. Don't try to gain the favor of other women, or favors of other women. Ngomntwana wam, through or at the expense of my child. Undopho ngumntwana wamayeza. He is a child. Amayeza is medication, so he's a child of medication. He's a child who is under medication, sensitive. Andifuni, and I don't want akhathazwe, that he be upset. Said Nojaji. Kodwa ke nkosikazi, but madam, inye into endiyithethayo mna. There's only one thing, inye into endiyithethayo, that I am saying. And that is, I say that apha esikolweni, here at school, abantwana abonileyo, children who have literally sinned or transgressed, bayohlwaywa, are punished. Ucacisile utitshala. Cacisa is to explain. Kulungile ke, all right then. So take note of the little word ke, meaning just then. All right then. Undopho mcime, delete him. Kulo register yakho, from that register of yours. Uchilo, Nojaji, uchilo. So said Nojaji, from the verb cho, to say so. Chilo, the past tense thereof. So saying, wajika, she turned, wemka, and left, etsala, dragging, pulling, undopho ngengalo, by the arm. Umenzile waba lusizi yilento. Menzile was saddened yilento, by this matter, by this thing. Ngoko, and therefore, waya, he went, kutitshala uNdlela, he went to the teacher Ndlela, wacela uxolo, and apologized. He asked for forgiveness. Wamcela, he asked him, he requested for him, angabagxothi, not to expel. Xotha is to chase away or expel. Abanye abantwana bakhe, his other children. Esikolweni, from the school. Ngenxa yalento, because of this incident, because of this matter. uMenzile wayemoyika kunene. Menzile was indeed scared of umfazi wakhe, of his wife. Ngoko ke, and therefore zange amthethise. He never spoke to her, he never took her to task. Ngesi, about this senzo sibi, bad deed. This very bad deed. Esi senzo sibi kangaka. Or this deed that was so bad. uNojaji wambona. Nojaji saw her husband going to the teacher, waba nomsindo kunene, and was very angry. Ngesidlo, during the meal sangokuhlwa of the evening, wakhalaza, she complained, khalaza, to complain, kuMenzile esithi, to Menzile, saying, hayi amadoda eli xesha, the men of today, the men of this time, ayakwazi ukuhleba, they know how to gossip, abafazi bawo, they know how to gossip or slander their wives. uMenzile wayengayazi, Menzile did not know ukuba makaphendule athini na, how to answer and what to say. Wajonga phansi, he looked down, wathi cwaka, and remained silent. Waphuma njalo ke excuse me, waphuma njalo ke esikolweni uNdopho, and so Ndopho left school. Apologies for the frog in my throat. Waphuma njalo ke esikolweni uNdopho, and that was then how Ndopho left school. Ngoku, and now, wayesiya apho athanda khona. He went around, roamed about wherever he liked. Okay, so we will leave it at that, and we continue with the next session. Enkosi kakhulu, bafundi.